Hey guys, it's SterlingW. We're going to do a full 1-year review of the Sunforce Solar Motion Activated Security Light. This is a pretty awesome solar powered security light where you don't have to run power to anywhere and just basically mount to the wall, plug it into that solar panel and lead that line right back to that security light, and it works very, very well. It's super bright at night. In fact, it's 1,000 lumens on low and 2,000 on high. It has a range of about 30 feet for the sensor, but to be honest, it's more closer to 15 feet. There's also about 4.5 meters of wire to lead to the solar panel, and you really don't, I didn't need that much wire to be honest, and it works pretty well. It does take about a whole 3 days to charge in the sun to charge this thing fully. To installing is really great. You just basically install the mount, slide this thing down, and then lead the wire, basically to that solar panel. That's it. I just installed it right into the stucco and then led the wire right through the roof, drilled a little hole, and made sure I sealed up the hole as well as the other one, and then mounted the solar panel on top of the roof. Of course, you can mount the solar panel anywhere you want. It just takes 2 screws, and you can mount it on the eave of the roof or whatever, or even on the side of the wall right next to it. Doesn't really matter. It's extremely simple. Just mount it somewhere so it faces the sun. Anyways, guys, it's SterlingW. Hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.